So everyone, this is the domain name I'm going to buy. Like I told us, this is yasclax.com, and I'll click on search. I'm just going to buy this. So I'll view the item, and click on checkout. So this is the subtotal of everything. Let me just try to apply this discount code to see if I'll get a discount code for it. Same thing, nothing else. So another thing I can choose to add is a business email address. So activate the free trial for 2 months. I'm going to use this business email to teach us something in the future. So that's it. And I'll click on confirm order. Now that we've confirmed our order, at this moment I've added my card details. I have to remove the area where I put in my payment method and my location. So I've done that, and I'll make the payments. Good, I just got it's done. And I'm going to show us how to link our account to now. This, I just made the payments, and now the next thing I will do is to show us how to link our DNS settings. So I click on managing Yas class. What I will do is I will go to advanced DNS. So for our bio page customization, this is how to add the domain name you got from Namecheap to your links.co. So go to settings and head over to connect domain. I will go to yaxclass.com. Now click on next. Now to finish customizing your domain, you must click the connect button and follow the steps. Okay, now for yaxclass, I'll click on advanced DNS. When I click on manage, so I will click on add a record. I'll add an A record, host will be ads, and I will copy this link here. The first one is an A record, and I will paste it. Click on connect, add a new record, which is a TXT record. Host should be at, and now I will copy the second link, and I'm going to paste it, and I will hit connect. Now everything is automatic. I'll refresh this page, go back to links, and click on connect. So let's wait for a few minutes to see what's gonna happen. Let me refresh this page. So it is checking to see if yaxclass.com, every information we filled here. Okay, yeah, it is connected. So I'll need to delete this www. I will delete it, and you see yaxclass is connected. Now in publishing a domain, if people go to yaxclass.com, watch what will happen. It will open here. Now if they go to useassistance.com again, it is still going to open my same website. So if that was that is how to link your domain name to your bio page. So this is the bio page I created, and because this account is on Pro, that was why I was able to connect my domain. So that is it, and the this is where you fill in the favy icon. The meaning of a favy icon means this particular image, how it looks like. You see Facebook sign, you see links sign. So that is the way it works. So I believe this should bring us to the end of this video. By now you should be able to connect your domain name to your bio page, and your bio page to your booking page, and your booking page to your Facebook and Instagram. That is it. Thank you guys for participating in this tutorial. And if you want me to do the customization for your business, there will be a link in the description that says send me a message, and I'm going to send you a message and we discuss. Thank you.